Hey guys, Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to flush out your hot water heater. So you're going to want to flush your hot water heater out at least once a year, but if you have very hard water, then you're going to want to do it maybe twice a year, so every 6 months. So yeah, this video will show you what to do and how to flush it out. So you could see here, down at the bottom of the tank where all the sediment gathers, that's where your drain is. So you could see some of them, mine just has a brass screw that you loosen and it releases the water. Some of them actually have a valve that you turn. So what you're gonna wanna do is hook this up to a hose and then open up the valve and just let it drain out for 15 to 20 minutes. And you'll see how much sediment is actually in your tank, and that'll give you a good indication of how often you should be doing this. So yeah, let's get into it. So we'll just hook up our hose. Now you can drain your hose if you have somewhere in your basement. You can take your drain and put it, you can take your hose and put it into that drain, or what I'm doing is I'm just running this hose outside and letting it drain outside. And then right now I've got it hooked up into a clear bucket just so we could see the kind of sediment that's coming out and the color of the water, and then we'll be able to tell when it's flushed out and when it's running clean again. Okay, so all we're gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver and loosen this up. And you can hear water running. Now you're gonna wanna do this when no one's home because it's gonna drain all your hot water out. And now we'll go outside and take a look at the water coming out. Okay, so it's draining. You can see there is some sediment coming out. We'll just let this run for 15 minutes. And once it clears up, we'll turn the valve off and we'll be good to go. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and you could see just how clear that water is that's coming out of the hot water heater now. Now you're gonna waste some energy because your tank's gonna have to start making more hot water, so that's gonna take up some energy, but it's nothing compared to the cost of replacing a hot water heater because you haven't flushed it in a long time. So yeah guys, let's show you how to tighten that valve back up and unhook your hose. All right, so now that we're done, we'll just tighten up this screw. You can hear it click right off. And then we'll just unhook our water. We'll just put a little oil pan under here to catch the water when we unscrew our hose. Then you just want to make sure there's no leaks. Make sure your valve is tight. See, we have no leaks, no water came out. So yeah, that's how you flush a hot water heater. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.